Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn on Apple Intelligence AI on iPhone 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max. First of all, you have to make sure that your iPhone must be updated to the latest iOS 18 version. If you have any updates pending, install the update first. Once you're updated to the latest iOS version, all you have to do is open your iPhone settings. Once the settings have been opened, you will see a new option called Apple Intelligence and Siri. Click on that option. After that, you will see a button called Join Waitlist. Once you're joined in the waitlist and enrolled in the waitlist, all you have to do is wait. You have to wait maybe for a few days or a week or so, and after you're approved, you will be able to see a toggle on this exact page. You have to turn on the toggle, and then you will be able to use Apple Intelligence and Siri. And that's how to turn on Apple Intelligence AI on iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.